How to avoid ETH gas fees on Uniswap. On Ethereum, transaction costs rise as more transactions are made. The charges on the Ethereum network are determined by the gas price and gas cap. The gas limit is very steady and relates to how complex the operation is. For instance, dealing with a smart contract will cost more than a straightforward transaction. The gas price, on the other hand, varies significantly. There are several Ethereum based exchanges that use the same AMM design, even if Uniswap is still the most well known DEX. So how to avoid ETH gas fees on Uniswap? All you have to do is go to the gear icon and adjust this percentage here. And then after that, you need to click the select token and just tap any of this token here. Okay, you can tap from one token to another. For example, we have USDT, we have also WBTC, and apart from that, we have also this one WETH, and actually there are lots of tokens here where you can just simply change from time to time. So you just have to check it time to time to know the differences of the gas fees. Sometimes there are days that the gas fees are low, sometimes high, so you just have to do this all over again. And I think that's the best way on how to reduce ETH gas fees on Uniswap. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.